Introduce yourself.
My name is Pintu Kumar. My father's name is Rampasasa. My father's name is Rampasasa. My mother's name is Renu Devi. I'm lived in Begusara, Bihar, and I passed the 10th from St. Joseph's Public School.
Yes.
From it's come under the CBSE board, and now my class 12th pass out from the BSEB board, BR board, and that's all from my side.
Yeah.
Okay. From your documents, I can sense that you are a brilliant student in Sanskrit.
So
Is
now,
it correct?
yes, sir, but in that time, I will 2 months I will only focusing on Sanskrit.
So I think you are a good communicator in Sanskrit. That means
So it means that in not in complete way to speak, but almost I can speak.
okay. You translate in Sanskrit that your name is Pintu.
Aham Pintu Asti.
It is right.
Okay, I'm going to market to purchase books in Sanskrit.
Aham 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 bajar buka santi
Gachami or something.
gachami santi. ऐसा.
Gachami is very common, no?
Yes.
Okay, ask question to him.
Tell me the importance of Sanskrit language in the Indian society for historical perspective.
Yeah,
Do you-
this is a very important language in ancient, because we can see that almost all the all the language comes from the Sanskrit, and all the language comes from the Sanskrit. Just like Hindi is also comes from the Sanskrit, and in earliest time, ancient times, all the peoples are using the Sanskrit language for communication. Now, in a way that Indian culture and society are should be developed now, so many languages are converted in many times.
But all languages are not converted directly. English is not a part of Sanskrit. We can't say.
Day by day, it should
Day
be
by
converted.
day, the craze of Sanskrit is going down,
Yes, sir.
not going up.
Not going up.
Yes. Tell me the government's focus on this particular subject and the work done by the government to enhance this language in India and also the world, because because Sanskrit is the integral part of the Indian society.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any government policies? Do you know about that?
No, I don't know about that. But in education field, there's a difference between the Hindi and Sanskrit in CBSE. Because when I study in CBSE, there's a optional subject from Hindi and Sanskrit. Now, so I understand that Sanskrit is so important for me for getting.
Okay. From history to the present,
Yes.
you tell me two problems of your state.
Two problems.
Two big problems of this state.
First one is that of our state is there's a high level there's a big problem is one is road construction, because when I was traveling anywhere, because recently I was traveling from Balia road side, there is so many disturbance of road, and now the second topic is our water. When rain are coming, then water are overflow from the
Yes,
canals.
problem of drainage.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So how can you solve these problems?
Because-
Both problems.
This only the government has not to be careful on this basis, because our mentally our society, our nature has also told us that we should clean our society.
That is a lesson part, but being an implementer, how can you introduce such reforms in the society so that you can get rid of these two problems which you have mentioned right now?
First, when I was correction on these two problems, then I was only all the peoples I have told that all the peoples are using the rainwater harvesting. In just like when we are using the farming, then you use the that water from the farming for plantation, and now and also when rain is coming, all the peoples are aware that to conserve the rainwater and flow on that particular way and use on that particular way that you have needed.
Okay,
And
fine.
now second is road construction, and the just like we have a tender that engineer have given, then we have go for the much more seeing on that particular which types of cements we are using,
Okay.
and what
That means regular inspection is very needed
yes sir.
from the bureaucracy level.
Yes sir.
Correct.
Yeah,
Over to you, Nitish.
I have some questions. Do you agree the present work of the government, which done by the government for the people? Do you agree the present work, which had worked by the government? Do you agree the work is good or bad?
Both.
Both.
Yeah, because any work have done, there is a negative and positive both.
Tell me the negative work of the government. Some negative works.
Just like we have just like we see the Bihar, and in Bihar when the alcohol has banned, then also there is a increasing of taxes and including we can see in current time petrol, diesel, these are the high cost in that time, so the people can almost all the people, not all the peoples, but slow down people, just like SC/ST caste people. These are the facing the problem of this types of.
Yes. Suppose you are that post. You achieve that post.
Yeah.
You are the CM.
Yeah.
Then do you have any idea to remove this type of problems, just like alcohol
Alcohol
banning?
banning.
Yeah.
I was
and also social levels.
yeah.
You mentioned about SC/ST.
We can see that in alcohol banning, I will reopen from the alcohol banning because to reduce the petrol and diesel, and when the alcohol has reopened, then I will consider that those shops who have able to bought, and in shop there is a CCTV camera, and also they have included to take Aadhaar card and purchases only one bottle, not
Yes.
two or three bottles have been given. Not these types of events have been done. Only one person, only one bottle.
Per day.
Not per day, because we can see that all per day human are using, then it's also a side effect of alcohol.
Do you think interview at early stage for a student is important? Do you think so? Because you are not aspiring for any job, because since you are in an early stage of your life, you are in college, but still you are doing interview.
Yes.
Do you think interview at early stage helps a student?
Yes, sir. Because when he was faces the next competitive exam, then he have taken the interview, and when he was early stated to confess the interview, then he have not hesitated any to the invigilator to any hesitate, and it's also think that I am happy and I am confident.
Yes. I have some questions.
Yes.
Do you satisfy the present work of the DM of the Begusarai, which done by the DM, our DM? Who is the DM of the Begusarai? Who is the DM?
I don't know.
Arvind Kumar Verma is the DM. Present DM, we know about it. Yeah. Do you agree the work of the DM in the society and village area? Do you agree the work is good?
No, Begusai DM has already work has been done in these times, but I think we also see about where the work has not to be done, not only focusing on where the work has to be continue.
In which
We-
domain? In which domain DM not so see that domain, not working in that domain? Do you have any particular domain in which DM is not working?
Which DM is not working. We can see that in front of this one, at least 1 years. When I see that when the drilling of roads and breaking the roads, at least I think 11 months should be gone, but there is no any progress of that.
So,
I think
being a citizen of this society,
Yes.
you have also responsibility to go and file a complaint against this progress.
yes,
So,
but
why you are blaming DM then?
But sir, we can see that when the DM has get the get the rupees of his dealer, and he is not working, then I will complain to the DM to that dealer is not working on the construction.
Okay. Okay, I'll give you some analytical questions. Let's say you visit to the hilly station,
Yes.
Darjeeling or some other Mussoorie or other place of Himachal or Uttarakhand. You are with your friends, like Sanjay, like your Karan or other friends, and suddenly you find that your lodging means your room is actually you are only the one person who is going to stay in that hotel.
Yes.
Means some horror kind of things.
Yes.
It's- So when you see your watch, you find that yes, it is a 3 a.m.
Yes.
in the night, and there's a lot of sound, horror sounds around you, and that time you tremble with the problems, and your fear also, and straight from there you go to the straight to the management, and where you are about to ask to persons, but there are no persons at the management level. So in that scenario, how you will manage yourself and how you will manage your friends also at that horror nights?
In that times, I will firstly my friends, I will when I visited these types of moments, then we have when I was go for the hotel for rest, and in just like in 3 a.m. when I was wake up, and my friends have also wake up, then I will go for the manager, but there is no any manager. But in that times, the night stops are also available on hotels.
But let's say you did not find any
Staff
members.
This is a whole horror.
Vacant.
mahal.
Oh yes.
Vacant.
Full empty.
full empty.
Yes.
In that times, I will just like in present time, I will also using when I was seated in the single in room, then I will use the earphone for any times. And in that time, when there is no any manager, no any staff in the hotel, then already people have go for the meeting the manager and this, but they didn't have find. Then he have lived in,
Who do you leave the hotel at that time?
but in that time there's a, yes sir, leave this hotel.
But leaving at night around 3 a.m. or 3:30 a.m. Do you think it is a right decision?
Yes sir.
But in highway or in state highway, you may face
This type of, yes.
other horror story.
Yes sir.
So, what
exam?
would be the best option in that situation?
Then my friends, only go for the room which the manager had been allotted with me, shut down the door, shut down the window, sit there and enjoying full moments party.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now conclude your interview. How is your interview?
This interview is best for me, and in this interview I will learn so many things that I didn't when I was come in the front of door. I was so hesitated for what the question has been asked by the teachers, and which types of questions did he asked. I was so nervous, but when I was seated here, I was so excited for giving the interview. And in this interview, I think that it is better for me. And now in 6 days before 6 days, in these 6 days, I was learned so many things: how to manage the any critical condition, how to manage the your time in a study, in housework, in any way that you have managed all the times.
Okay, I appreciate.
Yes.
Ankit? Okay, right.